Find or read reviews that people are talking about BOTLIFE PC20 Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Smart navigation with 3 cleaning modes. The Pool Cleaner Robot is equipped with intelligent navigation and N-shaped wall cleaning plus S-shaped floor cleaning path planning, plus 3 customizable modes, auto, wall, floor, to thoroughly clean every corner of your pool. Powerful cleaning with triple motors. The Pool Robot Vacuum features 3 motors, 5000 GPH suction, and dual active brushes to capture debris from leaves to fine particles, via a 150 micrometer ultrafine filter, ensuring a spotless pool. Strong climbing and obstacle crossing. The pool vacuum cleaner easily climbs 30 degrees slopes, crosses obstacles up to 1.18 inches, and navigates steps to clean walls, floors, and waterlines without getting stuck. App control and long runtime. The cordless robotic pool cleaners offers smart app control, Bluetooth, for managing cleaning modes, suction, and runtime. Its 5200 mAh battery provides 2 hours of runtime, covering up to 1,830 square feet, and requires only a 2.5-hour recharge. Self-parking and easy retrieval. The robot pool cleaner automatically docks at the poolside when the battery is low or cleaning is done, and comes with a lifting hook for effortless retrieval and rapid water drainage. All-purpose robot pool vacuum for all shapes and surfaces. It adapts to all pool shapes, including round, rectangle, kidney, irregular, and surfaces, concrete, vinyl, tile, fiberglass and more, delivering a thorough clean for both in-ground and above-ground pools. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.